We are discussing the chapter number 2, that is the web services. E-learning. E-learning, the normal method is you go to the class or you go to the university and you have a tutor, teacher, and they teach you. This is the general method. But what if you want a way at 2 at night, you want to read something, you want to know about something, or some subject which is not taught in your school, you want to learn it, or some company wants to emancipate the level or increase the level of knowledge of their employee. For that, we have e-learning. E-learning is simply learning with the help of electronic media, with the help of internet, with the help of network. So, if you're having a laptop, desktop or smart devices, now the courses I can make, you can make, anybody can make, and it can post. You can post it on YouTube, you can post it on Udemy, you can post it on Unacademy, wherever you want. And there are various classes, there are various subjects which are going on, and you can be a part of it. You can learn it at your disposal. You can also interact with the tutor at the same time. So courses, they are offered by various entities, organization, various websites. Along with them, they provide quizzes and multiple choice questions. So they are these courses, they may be stored at some website, some location, or they can even be given to you as a compact disc, CD, or a storage device like a pen drive. So in this way, you can read them, you can understand them, and it needs minimal interaction with the human tutor, because the tutor is not required to be with you. Tutor will teach you, you can learn, understand, and if you have any problem, you can directly email him, or there are various other platforms where you can interact him also. What is the advantage of e-learning? First of all, a single person can teach everyone on this globe, everyone which is interested in his course, in his talk, in his webinar, in his discussion, in his knowledge sharing, right? Without attending the institution, you can be one of them. I'll give you an example. There is a person, there is a coolie, or you can say a porter in Kerala, and he cleared the UPSC exam, that is the highest ranked IAS, Indian Administrative Service exam in India, just by the Wi-Fi on the platform of the railway station. See the power of e-learning. He has never gone to school, he has never gone, means initially he has done the schooling, but he has never gone to any institution to learn to teach by them. He has just used the internet, YouTube and other websites or other locations to just hear, understand and prepare himself for the interview and for the exam. You can see the power of e-learning. This is only possible when you do e-learning. So you can have online discussions, your tutor can be live, you can have clarification as well. These are the advantage of online or computer-based learning. First of all, the classwork can be scheduled around the work and family. The time travel is very less. You say 60 people are there. You always go to the college. Every time there is a transportation cost, there is a time cost, and a tutor, he may not be available that day. So all the time goes wasted. So off-campus students, the time and travel cost is reduced. Then depending upon your choice, you can be moderate, you can have a very good intellect, you can be any kind of IQ you have. But depending upon your choices, the courses are available. You can study anywhere, anytime, say at 3 at night. Your tutor won't teach you at 3 at night, but because the online availability of learning is there, knowledge is there, now you can study anywhere. And for the speed of your mind, you can relate it with, if you have moderate, you can use the beginner level. If you are very good, you can use the advanced level. As I said, there is a flexibility. You can join the discussion, you can not join the discussion at that time, but still the webinars and all those things are already being designed and they are being recorded. You can remotely touch them, you can get the idea and instruction from them. Then there are different learning styles. Say, if you have a tutor, there are 50 people in your class, 30 of them understand this tutor, but 20 doesn't. what these 20 will do? They'll go for tuitions. Again, time and travel cost. Better is to go through to some e-learning process and they can learn. The knowledge of internet and computer skills also enhances while using this platform. There are disadvantages only. First of all, those who lack motivation, they have not a very good study habit, they will fall behind. They are, you don't have that routine structure. The tutor might have just given you that course structure of courses that you are comfortable with or he is comfortable with, but there are certain topics he might not have covered, but you want to know that topic, how you're going to know. He might have skipped that topic, and because there is no interaction with instructor, the classmate and instructor, they are not interacting. This kind of study is okay, but I must say the tutor and classmate instruction strategy is the best one, and instructor may not always be available to help you. So whom to ask for the query, whom to ask for your solution to the problem. And if you have connection very low speed, if you have old computers, it will be very frustrating. And the managing of computer files, online learning, this becomes very complex. And when you want to do practical exercise, you want to do lab exercise, then what? It will be very difficult. E-reservation. E-reservation is what? This is a system of online reservation. Previously, we used to stand in the queue. All of us, 6 at the morning, 5 at the morning, we make a queue for ticketing. Now, maybe some of us will not get that ticket because the tickets are already been booked. You want to book the hotels, you don't know the hotel, you have to go that place, you have to ask the auto rickshaw people, you have to ask the cab people, they will take you to some hotel you don't like. Resorts, property, you are trying to own a property, buy a property, you don't know about that property. You want to see a movie, you want to go to the theater, you want to do some things, all the things online and reserve for you because you don't want to go and just return back without having booking agents. These are all possible because of e-reservation. Now with the help of web and internet, you can book a ticket just sitting at your room. You don't have to go to the booking office, and all the databases are there. You can see the ticket. If you lose the ticket, you can always get the ticket back. Then apart from this, you can also choose the ticket. You can choose the availability. You can choose the room. So these all e-reservation, booking a hotel room, booking a airline ticket, booking a railway ticket, all is possible through e-reservation. So what are the benefits of e-reservation? Because you are directly booking, there is no middleman, you get the profit. The administration cost is less, so that cost is always, the cost incurred is always less. The inventory management becomes quite easy, and there is a global access, means a person who is abroad or who is outside India, say, and he wants to come here for a vacation. He wants to book some 5 days, 6 days ticket to say Goa or some Kerala. How is he going to book? E-reservation. You don't have to depend on other people. Online, he can book everything. E-shopping. Now, you want to buy something. You have to go to, say, a shop, a departmental store. Now, you have to choose from them the time of going, coming, the cost of the conveyance you will use. If you have a smart device or a desktop or laptop, you can just sit at your home and buy everything. Everything is on internet. Everything is on sale. The infrastructure cost, the hiring, sales employee, all this merchandising is greatly reduced by e-shopping. You can buy clothes, shoes, groceries, books, anything, furniture, home decor, anything can be bought online. You can even buy food, you can even buy cars, everything is available. So what are the benefits of e-shopping? Time is reduced. You at the comfort of your house, luxury, and you can compare prices from different vendors, and you can choose the best one. The infrastructure cost of the business is reduced because they don't have those retails now, and the products are quite faster now. you can just book the express entry. If you're dealing with Flipkart, you're dealing with Amazon.in, you can just say, okay, I want it one day, you can pay some extra charge and you can get it the very next day. And because you don't have money right now, you can book it through your credit card. You can pay it later. But there are disadvantages of e-shopping. No touch, no feel product. You see the product and you can just, on the basis of perception, you have to buy it. And because some of the vendors, they don't provide it in time. So if you want it time, you have to go to the shop and bring it at that time. And availability. Some of the internet, some of the mobiles, they are only sold on, say, Flipkart or Amazon. So if they are sold out, how you're going to buy it? Because they are already sold out. There is no availability. But you are using it on internet. There are network technologies involved. So there are good people, bad people. Good people, you people. Bad people means hackers and crackers. So always there is a threat. So there are several e-shopping. Let us learn by eBay, Amazon, Flipkart, Home Shop, Naptol, Yebi. There are so many e-shopping portals on which you can go and buy. The most interface or the most important interface component of e-shopping portal should be, or you must see, first of all, the interface where you will see the product and buy. There will be order management and inventory control. Then there will be some shipment interface because it has to be shipped. Then of course the payment. There has to be a payment gateway for financial interface for payment processing. Then when you have bought it, there is some problem, your product has come different or your product has come broken. These are customer service and support who are going to deal with your complaints and help you. So e-shopping, as I just said, it reduces your time immensely because there are no retailers, only you are buying from wholesalers directly. So the cost is your profit. Their cost reduction is your profit. Okay. Then you have different vendors to choose. Website. On that website, you can go to different vendors at the same time. You can choose the best buy product at that same time. Social networking. Social networking, how you relate with other people. They are not in with you. Your college people, your school people, the school friends, your teachers or someone you like. Twitter, Facebook, MySpace. You want news. You want something to eat. Everything is there in social networking. So social networking is a platform that helps you to connect to others and you bring a base social relation. Means the relationship is virtual, but still you are with them. In the last 15 years, there is an exponential growth. You might have seen a person 15 to 20 years ago, but now he is available on Facebook. He is available on other social media. Instagram, you can follow them, you can talk to them, you can share your feelings, you can talk to them, you can like them, you can dislike them, you can talk to them, have fun with them. So they are not geographically close to you, but still they are with you. So you connect you connect with them using internet connection, using your smartphones, using your computer. So this is how the social networking site makes your life easier and more, I must say, helpful in terms of, because we are social people. Human is a social element. So you can share ideas, activities, events, interests among various people. And an individual, you can share information, photos, data files, even videos. And in the social site also, because you are not paying for the product, so you are a product. So you have various, different type of things which are being shown. So you can buy from there. You can promote your products. You can promote your discussion, ideas and thoughts. E-groups. What are e-groups? When you want to send emails to different people at the same time, these are e-groups. You want to send the chat, say WhatsApp. You want to send the chat or some content or a letter or say image. You want to send to so many people. These are e-groups. You have an administrator there, or you can have more than one administrator there. Now you have a employee group. You want to send that tomorrow is holiday, or tomorrow you have to bring this. You can all do using the e-groups. So there has to be some permission because there is some restriction when you're dealing with this, to whom to send, what to send, when to send, where to send. And the administrator has the access to it. He may stop, he may he may just filter those whom he doesn't want. So what we have learned, web services means services provided by World Wide Web. World Wide Web provides services like chatting, emailing, video conferencing, e-learning, e-shopping, e-reservation, e-group and social networking. Email or electronic mail in short form is a way of receiving, sending and storing electronic messages. There are three types of protocols in email service: SMTP for sending messages, POP and IMAP for retrieving the messages. Then the word chat means talking, and e-chat or chatting is electronic chat, which is communication between two or more individuals using computer. Video conferencing is another way in which you have a camera, say webcam, and you have a microphone. Now you can talk. You can talk live. E-learning is a way of providing guidance, getting information through internet and electronic media, maybe a university or employees of company. E-reservation is a system of online reservation. You can book hotel, resort, property, theater, transport, everything using the e-reservation without having the booking agents. Then online shopping is you can buy products and services with the help of desktop or smart device. Social networking is a platform where you connect with people, build a social relationship, be happy. Social networking, you can share ideas, activities, events and interests. And e-groups, they are a list of emails. User can share information among each other. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.